हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू। Start. Leave granted full stop para. State of Uttar Pradesh and its functionaries have filed the present appeal challenging the judgment dated 19/7/2018 passed by the High Court of Judicature at Allahabad, whereby the division bench has dismissed their appeal and affirmed the order dated 4/1/2018 passed by the learned single judge directing grant of consequential benefits in the form of post-retirement benefits with seniority in service and promotions, if any, but not actual payment of salary for the period between 8/6/1987 to 30/6/2006 full stop. The division bench by the impugned judgment has thereby affirmed the finding regarding continuation of service treating the first respondent's initial date of appointment as 8/6/1987 and directed that the period between 8/6/1987 till the date of actual joining on 30/6/2006 shall be counted for the purpose of consequential benefits including pensionary benefits, albeit would be excluded for payment of back wages full stop para. Having heard counsel for the parties, we feel in view of peculiar facts and on balance of equities, the directions regarding the post-retirement benefit etc. as granted requires a modification full stop para. Ali Hussain Ansari, the first respondent before us, was recommended for appointment as assistant teacher in Satya Prakash Vivekanand Inter College, Deoria, Uttar Pradesh on ad hoc basis full stop. However, the Committee of Management in the said college, the second respondent before us, did not agree and consequently did not issue an appointment letter full stop. They issued an advertisement dated 8/7/1987 for direct recruitment to the post full stop. The names registered with the Employment Exchange were to be included full stop. One Shesh Mani Shukla upon selection was appointed and a letter dated 11/9/1987 was written to the District Inspector of Schools Deoria for approval full stop. However, the District Inspector of Schools Deoria declined and did not grant approval vide his letter dated 10/12/1987 stating inter alia that the selection of Shesh Mani Shukla was contrary to the provisions of Uttar Pradesh Secondary Services Commission (removal of difficulties) order 1981 full stop. By order dated 24/1988, the District Inspector of Schools Deoria refused to grant financial approval for appointment of Shesh Mani Shukla full stop. Aggrieved with the stand taken by the District Inspector of Schools Deoria, Shesh Mani Shukla assailed these orders in writ petition number 14530/1988 before the High Court of Judicature at Allahabad full stop. By the interim order dated 27/1/1992, the appellants before us, including District Inspector of Schools Deoria and the second respondent, were directed to pay salary to Shesh Mani Shukla. Therefore, and in terms of the interim directions, Shesh Mani Shukla had worked and was paid salary till 23/4/2004, when the High Court was pleased to dismiss the writ petition filed by him full stop. Aggrieved Shesh Mani Shukla had preferred special appeal number 590 of 2004, which was dismissed by the division bench of the High Court on 22/2/2006 full stop. The appeal against this judgment was also dismissed by this court in CA number 4966 of 2009, white judgment dated 31/7/2009 full stop. Over. तो फ्रेंड्स हो गया ये, ठीक है। 120 की स्पीड में ज़्यादा भी है ये, ठीक है, फ्लक्चुएशन है इसमें। तो अगर एवरेज स्पीड निकालेंगे आप तो 120 आएगी, लेकिन फ्लक्चुएशन निकालेंगे तो 125 जाएगी, ठीक है। तो 2 मिनट बाद क्रिमिनल डिक्टेशन शुरू करते हैं। ओके, 2 मिनट का रेस्ट ले लीजिए आप लोग। और अपने कमेंट्स अच्छे बुरे जो भी हैं, कुछ भी देना वेना हो, कुछ भी बताना हो तो बता दीजिएगा। इसलिए क्योंकि हम जान रहे हैं सबको डिक्टेशन पसंद नहीं आती होगी, क्योंकि डिक्टेशन लिखने के बाद बुरा भी बहुत फील होता है अगर लिख ना पाओ तो, है ना। तो लेकिन ये डिक्टेशन की प्रैक्टिस करने की वजह से ना आपके एग्ज़ाम के डिक्टेशंस इतने अच्छे जाएंगे, मतलब हम बता नहीं सकते कितने अच्छे जाएंगे। कंफर्टेबल फील करोगे आप, क्योंकि एग्ज़ाम का डिक्टेशन ना इससे अच्छा ही होगा। इसको ना आप वर्स्ट डिक्टेशन की कैटेगरी में रख दो, एकदम रफ डिक्टेशन, ठीक है। और जो इस चैनल पर नए हो वो कृपया करके सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और लाइक शेयर भी कर दीजिए अपने दोस्तों को, 2-3 दोस्तों को तो यार कम से कम एक बंदा फैला ही सकता है, ठीक है। ऐसे सब्सक्राइबर जल्दी जल्दी बढ़ेंगे और क्या, डिक्टेशंस भी अच्छी चलेंगी। और जब लाइक शेयर सब्सक्रिप्शन मिलता है ना तो और अच्छी डिक्टेशंस बनाने का मन करता है, समझ रहे हो आप, ठीक है। तो ये थी मेरी रिक्वेस्ट। तो चलिए फिर शुरू करते हैं। 10 सेकंड के बाद शुरू करेंगे क्रिमिनल डिक्टेशन। अपना कॉपी पेंसिल सब, पेन वेन सब उठा लीजिए। स्टार्ट। The present application under section 439 CRPC has been filed by the applicants for interim bail full stop. The prayer made in the present application is reproduced here under colon para quote. This honorable court may graciously be pleased to consider this matter as eminently urgent and allow this application full stop. It is to be noted here that the WHO has declared coronavirus as a public health emergency and has categorically stated that individuals suffering from diabetes of any kind are at increased risk of severe illness from coronavirus, and they should be particularly stringent in following social distancing measures, including significantly limiting face-to-face interaction full stop. Therefore, it is imperative that this honorable court may hear the matter and pass some interim order / grant interim bail to the applicants in arrest order dated 19/3/2020 issued by respondent number 2 in furtherance of order number 3/117/2018 CL second (NR) dated 21/2/2018 and order number 7/117/2108/CL second dated 22/8/2019 under sections 447 and 448 of the Companies Act 2013, or else the applicants shall suffer irreparable loss and injury which could not be compensated, as this matter required urgent hearing by this honorable court. D court full stop para. The present matter has been nominated to this bench by Honorable the Chief Justice, wide order dated 30/4/2020, and the same was heard through video conferencing, and judgment / order was reserved by this court on 1/5/2020 full stop para. Heard Shri Anurag Khanna, learned senior advocate, assisted by Miss Gunjan Jadwani, learned counsel for the applicants, and Shri Gyan Prakash, learned assistant solicitor general of India for the respondents full stop para. Pleadings between the parties have been exchanged through email which are on record full stop para. The brief facts of the case are that the applicants have been arrested in pursuance of the arrest order dated 19/3/2020 by the arresting officer, who is Assistant Director of Ministry of Corporate Affairs, for the offence under sections 447 and 448 of the Companies Act 2013 from Delhi and Mumbai respectively full stop. Copies of grounds of arrest were also served on the applicants on 19/3/2020 full stop. In pursuance of order, the applicants, before approaching this court for interim bail, have approached the apex court due to present pandemic and spread of COVID-19 (coronavirus), due to which working of all the courts were suspended in the state, and filed writ petition (criminal number 126/2020) for seeking following relief full stop para. Pass a writ order or direction in the nature of mandamus or any other appropriate writ for seeking of immediate release of the petitioners in light of the threat posed to the life and personal liberty to the petitioners in light of the COVID-19 full stop para. The Apex Court on 1/4/2020 was pleased to dispose of the said writ petition and directed the applicants to approach High Court by filing bail applications. Thus, the applicants have filed the present bail application before this court seeking interim bail full stop over. ठीक है, तो ये ख़त्म. अब नेक्स्ट डिक्टेशन में मिलेंगे. ओके, बाय बाय.